Invariably, ranges change in Excel. Lists grow and they shrink, and for this reason we need to be able to easily edit named ranges. What I might do is go to the left of the formula bar and hit the name box drop down and navigate to the deadlines named range. The deadlines named range refers to G1 to G271, and if I wish to change the range that it applies to G2 to G271, I need the Name Manager. The Name Manager button is available on the Quick Access toolbar, or I can press the key combination Ctrl F3. If I click this button, I can go to the Deadlines range, and down here I can see what range it refers to. If I wish to change the range from G1 to G2, I'll simply edit the range. The Deadlines named range will now apply to the range G2 to G271, and I'll click the tick so that it accepts my change, and close. If I now go to the name box drop down and ask to go to Deadlines, I can see that it no longer includes the cell G1. Not only do we use the Name Manager to edit ranges, but we also use the Name Manager to delete name ranges. For example, if I go to the Name Manager, I can actually choose the Deadlines range and click Delete. If I click the Delete button, it will offer to delete the named range Deadlines, and I'll click OK. Now I'm left with three named ranges. The Forest name range is the sheet called database and the range A1 to G65, but I could alter this and click the tick if I needed to change that range. And the same with target list. This can also be easily edited or deleted, and click close.